With the former approach, you might have made $1 and with luck, $2. With the new approach, you might have made $40, $100, $200, or even $700. In today's video, I'll show you how to use this totally free viral traffic strategy to earn $25 every 10 minutes. Today, I'll demonstrate a new technique that will allow you to make $20 in 10 minutes, as opposed to merely $2 in 2. Allow me to explain this so-called viral traffic hack to you in this video in order to generate more than twice as much money completely for free. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. In the first step of this process, a CPA Grip will be used. Visit cpagrip.com, click register, and then fill out all the required fields. Simply select website, -ncent, or GPT for the publisher type. Enter "I noticed this network being highly recommended on Daily Cash Tips" for the "Where did you hear about us?" question. And then check every box before selecting register now to join the network that will pay you these commissions. I've been able to make a significant amount of money using this network, so I'm sure it will pay you and the tactic will work. I'm going to show you something really awesome that you can use to make a lot more money on CPA Grip. You can apply this to any other country, the majority of which are European countries, by going to Offer Tools on the left-hand side and clicking on My Offers. The highest paid offers in the United States will be displayed when you select the United States from the country drop-down menu. But if you choose France, you will find better offers that will pay you more than $20 for each of these CPA offers. These larger payments are made here. Even though English is not the first language in these countries, you will still receive at least $10 for each of these CPA offers. You want to look for a giveaway because these deals will pay $20. Look for a contest that rewards roughly $20 and is written in a different language. If I click on the offer, I can simply review it. Anyone who participates in this giveaway will be compensated with $1.95. Instead of getting paid $3 for each of them for US traffic, you will get paid $21.86. By copying this link from here, go to bit.ly.com and shorten it there. By scrolling down and selecting shorten, enter your URL there. After shortening your link, search Twitter posts on canva.com to locate the desired solution. We are utilizing the fact that you presently have a blank canvas as evidence for this offer. Use Google to conduct a search for an image that will go with the deal you choose. When you locate a suitable image, click it, copy it, then go back to Canva and paste the image there. This image can be easily resized without the need to download it beforehand. The picture will therefore be based on the deal you choose. Any form of giveaway can be chosen, and the Canva picture for the offer can be found here. Use the basic designs, elements, text, etc. to create a design that is exactly like this one. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. This post ought to be based on the giveaway. If you don't know how to make one, don't worry, I'll show you. I'm simply going to download this PNG picture now, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to choose share, and you can see that I can make this design accessible to the public. As you can see, I picked anyone with a link under URL share publicly. I'm going to copy and link and send it to you. The next action is to upload this picture to your Twitter feed. You don't need any followers for this Twitter account because I'll show you how to utilize the viral trick, so create one right away. Here's the thing. This is for an English-speaking nation and audience. Just post the image here and type "Good luck to everyone. Let's see if I can win an iPhone 13 Pro for Christmas." Remember that we want $20, so please follow these instructions. You don't need to modify the image, you only need to adjust the language of your message because Twitter can tell that. Although the language in the image cannot be detected by Twitter, the language in the tweet can. If you write it in English, it will be distributed to English-speaking nations. If you use Google Convert to translate it to French, it will be distributed to French-speaking nation. You must follow these instructions in order to earn your $20 incentives. And don't forget to add the bit.ly link to your Twitter bio. Twitter is pretty much over at this point. This will bring you a modest amount of traffic if you already have some followers. If not, you won't get any at all. The website SEOclerks.com, a viral traffic boost to attract visitors from Twitter, is what I'd like to introduce to you right now. However, by going to SEO Clerks and searching for Twitter, this will give your post a big boost and allow you to just receive this traffic from Twitter. Create an account at youlikehits.com by going there. By selecting the sign up button here, you can see that they provide Twitter retweets. You must earn some points, but these are totally free. You may do it for free by going to You Like Hits and selecting Twitter retweets. Or you can spend $1 on SEO clearance and submit the link to the post you want to share on Twitter. This is the exact method by which anyone may promote these items from France, Spain, Italy, or other nations and fast earns hundreds of dollars on CPA Grip. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.